Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel McWinney, Clinical Assistant Professor at the College of Nursing and Public Health at Adelphi University. So why study nursing at Adelphi University? You'll be joining one of the highest ranked programs in the country. You'll learn hands-on nursing in a state-of-the-art simulation center. You'll live the life of a nurse with extensive on-the-job work experience. You'll study with expert faculty. And you'll have courses to enrich your understanding and sharpen your skills. At Adelphi, you'll combine classroom and labs with clinicals in top healthcare settings. You'll get a complete grounding in pharmacology, physiology, and microbiology. You'll learn nursing care for patients throughout the lifespan. And you'll enjoy cutting-edge technology. Our birthing mannequin, Victoria, simulates a live birth. Our pediatric mannequin, Hal, is the most advanced pediatric simulator in the United States of America. So what can you do with a nursing degree from Adelphi? You'll take a critical role in the expanding healthcare field. You can work in a wide variety of settings and specialties: hospitals, ambulatory care centers, doctors' offices, and many other healthcare facilities. Adelphi's dedicated education units include Huntington Hospital, Northwell Health; Mather Hospital, Northwell Health; Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, Perioperative Program; North Shore University Hospital, Northwell Health; NYU Winthrop Hospital, Perioperative Program, as well as St. Francis Hospital, Catholic Health Services. Adelphi's clinical sites include New York Presbyterian Hospital System, Hospital for Special Surgery, Northwell Health System, Catholic Health Services System, and New York City Health and Hospitals System. 94% of our nursing graduates are employed or continuing their education within 6 months after graduation. Join our exceptional nursing program at Adelphi University. World-class academics, personal approach, and successful outcomes.